So I'll be doing an easy peasy makeup tutorial for today. My hair actually doesn't need much styling because as you can see, kulit na talaga siya. And I'm just letting it air dry right now. And I'll be attending a wedding in a bit. So, what time na ba? It's 10:33 a.m. So, let's see if I can do my makeup in less than an hour. But, aga pa naman, and the wedding is later at 2 p.m. So, I still have a lot of time. And, yeah, let's start. So first, I'll be spraying this Avian thermal spring water. So let's do it. So refreshing sa pa. Na-addict. So, yan. Para lang mag-freshen up yung face. And, ang dami ko mga red marks. Bakit ganyan? So, yan. So, while waiting for the thermal spring water to dry up, I'll go ahead and shake this sunscreen from also, don't forget the neck. You don't want to age it prematurely. Well, your face looks young. And then yung neck mo na pag-iwanan mo, diba? So, don't forget the neck. Collarbone area. So, there. Let's start with this Baby Skin Pore Eraser from Maybelline. Just a little bit first. That's done. What's the next step? Let's put concealer first. I don't like putting the applicator straight to my skin kasi wala, usi lang ako. Parang kadiri pag ibabalik mo naman ulit yung applicator sa bottle. Parang ma-contaminate niya yung buong product. So, what I do is I just put enough on my finger and then ring finger para gentle lang sa delicate area here under the eyes. Dab a few concealer on some of the spots na medyo mapula sa face ko. Mga pimple scars and mga ganap sa feds. I'll be using the Bello Sun Expert Perfecting Shield Tinted Sunscreen. So, yeah, kanina nag-sunscreen na tayo but wala kasi yung tint. And I really don't like using foundation anymore kasi feeling ko ang bigat-bigat sa face. So, I'll be using this tinted sunscreen. So, para lang siyang foundation but lightweight. let's do the kilay because Actually, makapal na talaga yung kilay ko. Wala pa ako na-apply anything. Happy to see a lot of celebs sporting the makalat sabog kilay like Ann Curtis, Liza Soberano, and other celebs. Go ahead and do my kilay. Oh, by the way, I'm using this liquid eyebrow pen from Media. So I bought this from a store in Hong Kong, I believe. For sure sa SAS ako nabili to. Some powder sa under eye where you put some concealer para mag-set siya and mas tumagal. Mag-apply nga pala ng concealer ulit sa dito. Dito, and here. So next, let's do the eyes. I'll be using this palette from Naked. you can see here, wala pang falsies. Mascara lang and curled lashes. And here, bongga. Ang haba ng lashes ko. And sobrang kapal. So there, I applied eyeliner again kasi medyo nag-fade siya nung in-apply natin yung falsies kanina. Time check, 11:33. Almost an hour. Well, an hour na ako nagme-makeup. And we're almost done. Last but not the least would be, I'll apply loose powder to set everything in. And then there. Oh, one last thing. I'll apply again this. So, very light makeup. Oh, yeah. Sorry, lipstick pa pala. I'll be putting on his face lipstick in 143. There you have it. And I'll just change to my gown and do my hair and be back. Hey guys, I'm back. So, ito na yung final look. And so for my hair, I just twisted it and secured my hair with some hairpins.